I'm going to show you how to make a quick blanket using nCloth. So first I'm going to create bed. And then I'm going to create a sheet. You want to have as more details of the subdivision, more polys, to get a more smoother surface. So I'm going to make this to 50. Probably should have a little bit more. I'm going to size it like that. Next, I want to add nCloth to this right here, and make sure you're in FX menu. Then go to nCloth, then create a nCloth right here. And then if you go over here to your presets, you have different types of fabric, and these will behave like that. I'm going to choose t-shirt, but if you want a more definition or like that, try silk. But it's going to make your computer run much slower. But for this one demonstration, I'm using t-shirt because blanket has more like type of quality. Next, I'm going to add a passive collider that receives the nCloth. I'm going to make the passive collider solid. Then if I hit play, here. But what's going to happen now if I hit rewind, back to start? I don't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my blanket. I'm going to go here. Don't use this one. Use nCache because I'm using nCloth. So I'm going to create a new cache object, and I did one previously, so I'm going to replace. I'm going to let it all the way through. So now I scroll here at timeline, but I want this here to be frame 1. The way how you do this is select the clock and rewind. Have that. What you can do now is you want to shape it. Just snap your then, right? Hope that helps, right? Here, bye-bye.